No, he was not attacking. Mkhwanazi was never attacked. The president responded on what he said. That's a debate. Mkhwanazi started a debate. Now, this is no longer investigation. This is no longer law enforcement. It's a debate. Once we start a debate, we've got a right to respond. So he has entered.
amukela ka channel ya hina ya Inside Central. Namuntlha hi ta va hi kha hi vulavula hi mhaka leyi baku bembele yi nga exikarhi ka General Mkhwanazi na president wa EFF Julius Sello Malema, laha matsalanankulu wa vandla ra EFF Marshall Dlamini a basisa mhaka leyi baku bembele leyi va ngo kulukumba Julius Malema na General Mkhwanazi va le ku lweni. A kombisa leswaku a ve le ku lweni a ko boheka ku president ya EFF yi basisa mhaka leyi yi nga vuliwa hi kulukumba General Mkhwanazi. A kombisa ku loko kulukumba Julius Malema a va nga yi basisanga, a swi ta fika aka vanhu hi ndlela yo biha va hleketa ku maybe kulukumba Julius Malema u corrupt, so a nga ti voni nandzu loko kulukumba Julius Malema va ti basisini. Laha a nga mahlweni a kombisa ku a ku na rizondo exikarhi ka EFF na General Mkhwanazi, ene ofisi ya General Mkhwanazi va ta yi sapota ntsena loko yi yima ka ndhawu ya yona yo lavisisa vugevenga yi tshika swa tipolitiki. Laha a nga mahlweni a ku ntirho wa yena General Mkhwanazi i ku lavisisa a khoma, loko ku ri keni u vona i nga ri Julius Malema u na nandzu, a lavisisi a ya n'wi khoma hi ku i ntirho wa yena. Hi ku ya hi mina comment leyi nga vuliwa hi Marshall Dlamini yi twala kahle swinene, hi ku vhele ntirho wa General Mkhwanazi i ku khoma swigevenga. So loko ku ri ke General Mkhwanazi va vona ku Julius Malema i xigevenga mara va nga xi lavisisi va ta kota ku xi khoma, to me a swi make sense. So mhaka ya mahlweni ya tika swinene. Xana Julius Malema u clean, u basini, a nga kona ka vugevenga lebyi nga kona laha tikweni? Why vito ra yena ri tshama ri kha ri vulavuliwa mara information yo tiya hi nga ri ku yi kumeni? Mi nga rivali ku kulukumba Julius Malema va vule marito mo a mi nge ni kumi leswo ni basini hambi mo endla yini na yini, a mi nge ni kumi ka ti wrong doing. A hi yingiseleni Marshall Dlamini loko a basisa mhaka ya General Mkhwanazi na Sello Malema. Danko.
No, he was not attacking. Mkhwanazi was never attacked. The president responded on what he said. That's a debate. Mkhwanazi started a debate. Now, this is no longer investigation. This is no longer law enforcement. It's a debate. Once we start a debate, we've got a right to respond. So he has entered that space of debating. So we're going to debate him back. He makes those unfounded allegations, just speaking without taking any responsibility, and we're not going to sit back and accept that. So the president of the EFF was correct to clarify that issue, because if he didn't, we'd be sitting here, all of us, even yourself as a journalist, you got the information wrong. You'd be sitting here and thinking that the president of the EFF is meeting some generals and getting involved in some criminal activities. We had to clarify that, and we are challenging Mkhwanazi that if we think the president of the EFF is wrong what he's saying, he's a law enforcer, is the constitution and the laws of this country, they give him the powers to make sure that he investigates and then he makes arrests if there's such. But we know there's no such. He's entered in a space where maybe he gets agitated by people on social media, where he becomes a commentator, and he can't be a commentator. He must stick to being just a law enforcer, and then we respect him for that. But when he starts commentating and making regular statements, that we have to respond to.
For those that may be confused, though, where does this leave your support for General Mkhwanazi? I mean, he's not the enemy of the EFF, is he?
No, it's not the enemy of the EFF. By the way, remember, we support General Mkhwanazi, but more than anything, we support that office. That's a public office. That's our office that is occupied by him. He will get our support as long as he sticks to what he's employed to do, to be a policeman who enforces laws. Once he starts getting into other debates and saying things that are unfounded, look at this explanation when the DSG asked him that, General, part of your July 6 allegations, you said the judiciary is involved in these criminal activities of infiltrating the law enforcement agency. We're finishing this, the ad hoc committee now, and there's no member of the judiciary that has been brought here. Himself, he says, yes, I might not have the evidence, but the information that I have is that some of the people that we arrested for murder, they get bail, and then they go and work with prosecutors, then they give money to the prosecutors, and then that's why then we believe that the judiciary is involved. He can't believe, he can't think he's a law enforcer. He must go and get facts, get evidence, and then move in that way. If he's just going to sit like an ordinary civilian and make those allegations, then it's very dangerous. Unfortunately, the office that he occupies doesn't give him that luxury of just making statements without any substantive evidence, or to follow up and making sure that they are arrested in criminality. Unfortunately, not for him.
Yeah.
Me and you, maybe we can do it, but not him.
Okay,
Can't do that.
but